So, you never know what you're going to get in northern Wisconsin. April 19th, and here we're still dealing with the snow. Yep. I'm kind of tired of it though. I want spring to get here. So, but what are you going to do, right? The weather's going to do what the weather's going to do. It won't last though. It'll melt today, I hope. So, just have to take what you get. Yeah. It's still pretty, but yeah. The deck is starting to get covered, as you can see. Yeah. I'm sure the bears and their cubs didn't expect this. Oop, there's something out there in the water. Turning. We got a little bit of a surprise yesterday. We were walking down the road and we look up, and here flying towards us is a beautiful white bird. We're like, what in the world is that? And it landed behind us. We turned around. It landed in the road, started walking around, headed right towards us. And we're like, what the heck is this happening? A bird walking towards us? Here was one of those white pigeons. I guess they sometimes are called doves. Here in northern Wisconsin. Walked around us, started walking towards our house. It was strange. It's like a pet bird. Yep. So we'll see how much this accumulates today. It'll be interesting. Again, April 19th. Never know what you're going to get in northern Wisconsin. Oh, there's a robin. I'm sure the robins are like, what in the world is going on here? What is going on here? Isn't this supposed to be gone? The snow? Oh, looks like it's getting stronger. Well, I'm starting to get a little bit of a chill, so I'm going to go in and another bird. Wondering why it's snowing again. So, yep, signing off. It's once again another northern adventure, and please subscribe, and we appreciate your support. I just love listening to the birds here, and the woodpeckers, and it's just amazing, the loons and the chickadees. Nope, there's a woodpecker. Let's see if I can get close enough to it. They don't care about the snow. They don't care about it. So thanks again for watching Northern Adventure, and hopefully next time it'll be spring.